TV station away.
TV station. Oh yes. No.
Abuja from Mamu na makwaba e de bagana and Sem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabi na so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President and here. Women commerce is here.
TV station away.
TV station. Oh yes. No. A legitimate question. Ena Webisan. Oga say campaign. It was in our manifesto. Creative arts. Kwasiapanin, we spoke about it. The biggest music destination in Africa is Nigeria. And you be a music streaming app ana. Mibusamo. But what is Nigeria for app be a banya mo streaming you also. Tro. Now say almost launch music streaming app. Tro. Munti. Sa no mo ye Ghana Post app. Busa Uber driver ana Yango driver be say Y0uth app na. Adia Google, I captured the whole world satellite. I won't just say a digitization. Busa won't say fast forward bang and I'll be near film. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Be a TV channel. Mo amuye sini nyina ye di local content ni beguso. O pesa wo hwe sa channel na utua. Jumedia ye yawo conference center e won kran. Wo Kumasi no antumi amba. Ye wo dedicated TV channel a wo betumi ahwe. Wo di umomo no atua na wo hwe ne live. A sika no beko artist ni ho e beko pro.
Fayie. Kwane papa contract na ya de. O man ni mo nyama ye na na mampanyu dia.
Terrestrial, DTT, no, digital terrestrial television, away. I can assure you, say digital infrastructure. You don't need any physical, but you see, ansana obestati bibiano. One, as I said, ode framework at all. One for framework and to one implementation will take you off will be a mistake. And from key learnings of certain policies are not any institutional framework and my policies ni failure. Also by behavior, you make sure say all the framework in a big good and san why then what take you off. And I can assure you, sir, Mati Senko for Abisa say television channel now. Mo promise mo de bebana. His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama and Danakuma Sopa. Obey.
Okay. Now quickly a time.
Nyina yetua ne taku sempoa obi akari koko bear bag du wakwa ne yama ne 5 million. Satam 31 million sunka 300 and something million. Aye, wakwa ne yama ne 5 million. No de abeto nchene di. No asan fa fom ko. No akwaji 2 million. No de abeto ayi kobi. Sa ya shisika no. Ghana ni sei na Ghana ni pe. Emma Ghana ni me se Ghana ni ho to no. Wonwene hwe. Na so ne ne bere nyina wode ma yese nsemhunu tie ene yese asa wonwene bibia biem na koko ekurani akwaji ne sika otuko no kan yese ka mu ensi dan ensi hwe eno asa da obema ne de atua ne ba fees no na wakwaji abeto dem na da ho wuwi a waka chensa wahwe ne ba wonte ne ye wo kanase otom wonte ase first year student ya na esi ebetuo mo kai Dwa mama ba otua sika wo ya yede. Ghana ni enim sa nyansa no onuru ho enti eye waste of money ontua. Because oya Ghana ni nkan. Ghana ni won kaya kamu ni opposition. Kofo ba ye cancellation of basic school fees. Mampani kof enkwada na ye de omo dom mo ye adwuma din aburo ma ho odin so. Kofo na be stop we nyina. Ekosi sai. Ya yere no ma na kwa awo so fa ye kete kokwa. Ekosi sai. Free health insurance, free maternal health care. Ekosi sai. Koko akuafo na kofo nwu omumfuo tukwa. Nyasi akomo omaduro. Wa fe nipa a ebegu afuo no so kwa. Yasa to abatu no. Ghana ni adwene mienuru. Kwan na Ghana ni ya Amerikani. Na wa hihye da che de ama no. Gina ne konso bunukom mia no eno ano no wawie.
Edemano. Unya Kamila Al-Hassan. Ayi teacher ni yo se hwan ya woni akora bi de ba ye. O de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJ ke unim se atintenhu ta woto na wuhwiri treasure. Unim se atintenhu eta woto na wuhwiri treasure. Onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ ke. Onzo obi anka bi ma. Sa na wiase ne tie. So obi asamba fa we ye afutuo. Obi asamba susuka. Na wunim de da wanim. Obi asamba susuka. Na me me srema wo se ebi mu be defend no. Wo be defend DJ ke sasai. Enim guase we ya wagu ne ho. Wagu ne ho. Hey, DJ K nya nipa asem no wo ka no okromu a me se me DJ K no minim de ntia me se me kasa waka ma asem me waka ma asem ya asa ne ye nya nipa asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam ene de wo me se baby a wo no ankasa no baby a isu no ko fine na faye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi nka yentimi enka no se de nka ese ye ka no ene wunti Kamila Al-Hassan ocha krom ha chese DJ K na wuni nyansa sene hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye wuni nyansa sene hwan wo krom ha on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu utam me a me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a onse ya ne yemfiu ya na ho ya yesre ya na video ni ehwe ni say ya ene de ho na ho hye wo no ene wo na ho hye wo no me se Kamila Al-Hassan ba bi owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de beba abonten enra me ye video ba akoma na eno ne ye part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu ha DJ K misise wa we awe nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ K and then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na ho kwa ene ewiase no ensa emmeka wo no yenkoka no ano a emmeka wo no yenkoka no Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na wo kra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won fa ma assembly won fa ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa anya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi ta nso tonshina baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what a pad saga wide we say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
We just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Kwa yehwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia yede ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, no ma Dr. Bawumia eden na de kire Ghana for say me ba we ni we na meyama mo na. Busia na ke yensem fata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Or maybe Timikuburu, or maybe a leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA Buru another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, Yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yen because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact. Yeah, equipping hospitals is not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, "Yeah, hospitals and it goes on and no women say." It is a Kenyan who saying and no man in Abeya. This is a kind of country that was I would to me was oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort my sacrifice discard to what the hospitals are most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator is on funded free seniors most of my comfort. You see, I ain't gonna for debut. Na fe na tables na tani afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 dua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system but most open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na kasa de sebi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most open konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me you papa, and I feel I'm going to watch them. Me na warning was such a message. Me na me go catch you by John Dramani Mama, so all members come to Mutuana. Yewa. Digitalization, you start to say, yeah, most of the digitalization and talking, it's more kinky sika. It's a mamma papa naba, or mamma kinky, and mamma added a mockum. You will come here. And you John Dramani Mama could not and can form Gafun catch up say, oh, Gafun, oh, now we're not kinking and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear Koya cried him and now to me who let be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now Miss Fiums, hey, Remona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no, were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya
Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.